Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on USB debugging on your Android smartphone. And for this demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10, but the settings should be the same on any other Android smartphone. So the first thing you need to do is to go to settings and tap on it. From here, look for additional settings. Tap on it. Now look for an option called developer settings. And if you scroll down, you can see developer options here. Tap on it. Now, as you can see, the developer options settings is turned on. However, we are looking for USB debugging option. So scroll down until you see it, and here it is, USB debugging. Now, for my case, it is already toggled on. Now, for your case, you'll have to switch on, and it will give you a countdown where you have to consent to the risks involved, and then it will be turned on. So by following these simple steps, your USB debugging mode will be enabled. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.